Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Sunny 2015 model, and this car have a problem. You can see U1001 Can communication circuit and U1000 Can communication circuit. So this is the problem, and when this came, there is one body control. No, I will show you. When this CAN communication fault came, here is this control unit. This fuse came short, this one, and this fuse for 80, this one content 10 number fuse, which is this one. So customer came, he told me sometimes this fuse short, sometimes working good like this. And then when a car came, I remove everything because I want to see where is the short in this fuse. Okay, that's why I remove everything, this air filter cover, this control unit and everything. And then I check here, I see one wire. See, I don't know before anybody remove or what, and they didn't fix properly, and that's why this is removed, and sometimes touch with ground. That's why this fuse always came short like this. See, that's the problem. So if your car have same problem, so you can check this wiring inside, or any wire. You can see every wire not good, cover and everything. So I found it in this car here. Okay, thank you. So now I fix it everything, and wiring everything I fix it properly. See, okay, and now we see fault is there or not. You can see here, engine, there is no fault. No fault code detected. Before CAN communication circuit fault is there, but now start car. Check again, no fault, perfect. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.